This picture tells Japanese rice cultivation. A beautiful cascading rice field in during the rice growing and after cultivation. This is just before rice planting. Those are the typical Japanese landscape. This is also very interesting because Japan is a mountainous country. You have many beautiful falls, many beautiful falls. And some of them are also a kind of object of the Japanese Shinto worship. In fall, we enjoyed beautiful color change, green into yellow or green into red, a beautiful maple trees. In winter, we have a very high snow accumulations. When you recall your memory, Japan archipelago, Japan seaside and Pacific seaside. Japan seaside, along Japan seaside area, in winter we have a heavy snow accumulation. Why? Because in Siberia, East Asia, in Siberia, this is a coldest point except North Pole. From Siberia, the very cold, dry wind blow into Japan. Those cold, dry wind pass over Japan Sea, where Japan Sea is very warm, and which provide the moisture into the dry, cold air. So that dry, cold air become moistured and hit Japan mountain. So that the moistured, cold air became snow, and then the snow, lots of snow falls, and then you can see those beautiful villages, and those are the straw or other types of leaves material for roofings. And then we have also rich in mammals. The Japanese bear, and having a very interesting shape, crescent shape. This is a very impressive feature. Now here are Japanese monkeys. Japanese monkeys live in most of the northern part, very cold areas. As you see, most of monkeys are living in tropical or subtropical areas, except Japanese monkeys. Japanese monkeys live in the very northern part, where the winter is very severe, like a snow-covered area. They try to get warm in hot springs. Japanese love very much fond of getting hot spring, bathing hot spring. Also, Japanese monkeys follow Japanese. Here are other types of mammals. We have many those mammals, and nowadays we have trouble with so many numbers of those bears and wild pigs, and they came down to Japanese agricultural field where they really damage Japanese crops. So we have to control their numbers. Of course, we have keep biodiversity in reach. And those are migrating birds. Japan is a really important route for migrating birds from North Asia to South Asia. Here is the cranes, Japanese cranes, and here is the very aggressive birds. Those are the really migrating between Japan and South Asia. Japan has very unique amphibia. We call Japanese gigant salamander. This amphibia is really gigantic, and those gigantic salamander live in the mountain upstreams where the water quality is clean. Those are other species of fishes. This is a common carp, and you see this common carp is very beautiful in color, yellow or golden or red. Those beautiful carps are very fond of, very much liked by Japanese, and very expensive. They are the commercial product. And here is the ayu fish. This is a family of salmon. Those ayu fishes are migrating from between sea and Japan rivers. And the Japanese are very fond of catching and eating those salmon fish. And this is the type of carp, and this is the freshwater fish. And the left one also another type of freshwater fish. This fish live in the cold spring, clean water. Those are the insects. Beautiful beetles, and another type of beetles, and termites. And this is the mantis. Of course, other than those insects, we have a variety of insects. Termites are very troublesome insects because those termites are going to eat Japanese wood structure. So that how to keep Japanese wood structure longer, we are very careful about the invasion of termites. This picture tells about the sea turtles. Along the west and south Japanese islands, we have many migration of the different types of sea turtles. We are trying to protect them and try to egg layings, and also after spawn, we have to protect them when those baby turtles go back to the Pacific Ocean. This picture shows you a beautiful coral reefs. Here is a Japanese coral reefs area, and here is the Red Sea coral reefs. Red Sea is also having a unique, beautiful coral reefs. Japan has also those beautiful coral reefs.